Good afternoon, everyone. This is Trader Joe from InvestorsHelp.net. Are you having problems making money in the market at this time? Here we are, May 27th, and the market is going up. Or is that what you think? So today I'm going to do a quick analysis on SPY, the S&P 500. As you can see on my chart here, we're using the Thinkorswim platform, which is perhaps my favorite. I use it every day, been using it for many years. So let's take a look. Here's SPY, the ETF for the S&P, the 500 stocks. I'm Trader Joe, and I'm asking, why are you not making money in the market? I guess because you're not aware of what the market existing condition is. As you can see in this pricing chart, this is a daily chart of the SPY, and as you can see, going from left to right, the price is going from lower up to higher. Okay, market's moving up. But then you say, well, Joe, I made a lot of money in 2020, but what's going on? I'm not making much money in 2021. And my answer is, are you aware of what is the market doing today? What's been going on for the last month or two in the market? If you're not aware of what the market is doing, then you can learn from this video here today. So let's zero in. As you can see, I have different lines. The green is a 3-period simple moving average. The red is an 8-period simple moving average. We have the 100 and 200. The purple dashed line is the 100, and the black dashed line is the 200. My favorite by far is the blue line, which is the 50-period exponential moving average. Okay, I use that all the time, and just very quickly you can see how price bounced off the 50. It broke through and then immediately bounced off. It bounced off twice off of the 50. Here it broke through, but it came right back up, broke through for a few days, came right back up. So hint number one, be sure to watch the 50-period, preferably exponential moving average, but you could also use the simple moving average. Okay, so as you probably think, well, gee, the market's going up. Why am I not making money? So that's what we're going to focus in on now. And I want to look at just the last couple months. So let's zero in here. I click and I drag to the right so I can zero in on the time frame I want. Okay, so now we have from roughly February to today, which is May 27th. You say, well, gee, the market's going up. And I would say, you better look closer. The market has not been going up. That has stopped back in April. You say, well, how do I know that? Go down here, select this rectangular tool. This is the active tool. It's right located there, okay? So what you do, you find a high, 422, so let's click roughly on that high. If I can get to it, that's close. And then what's the low in this time period? We look, well, this looks like a low, so let's go a little to the right of that. Okay, so now we have a box drawn. By the way, disregard the yellow and rose color, these two vertical. That's another indicator, which is a squeeze indicator from John Carter. I use that, and there's a special way of using that, and maybe I'll share that in another video. But right now we want to see, what is the SPY doing? Okay, so let's go to the right. We want to make the rose box go through today. So let's right click on the box, edit properties, and this is rectangle 27. In other words, I have 26 other rectangles on my chart, but we're not going to look at those now because we want to talk about today. So the bottom right point, we want to end on today, which is May 27th. So we're going to change this May 27th, okay? You could get precise on the time and all that, but let's not worry about that for now. Okay, so our box goes to today, our rectangle. Now, the question is, when did price first enter this time period? So I'm going to, you see the bottom here? That's roughly 404, something like that, 404. So right about here, you see this day here, April the 5th, price entered that box, that rectangular box. So let's once again edit properties. We're going to change now the top left point to April, let's say the 4th, because we want to get the date it entered. So April the 4th, I think it entered, as we said, on the 5th. So let's take a look. So why did it go way back here? We didn't want that. So let's see what I did wrong. Edit the properties. You see what I did wrong? I don't know how to talk and do indicators at the same time. I put March the 4th. That's wrong. April the 4th. Okay, now we're cooking. So you see price entered this rectangular area that I drew based on the recent high and the recent low. Okay, so now price entered here. It was going up. What happened? Price basically went sideways. You see that with this rectangular area? So price is not going up. It's going sideways. That's right. It's pretty much going sideways since early April. So we are in a period of consolidation. So unless price breaks out above here, if SPY breaks out above 423, go long. Or if price breaks below 403, 404, in that area, you could consider going short or buying puts. But right now, we're in consolidation. So unless you change to a different time period, a faster time period than the daily, we're not going anywhere until it breaks out above or below. Now, what I encourage you to do, take your favorite stocks or ETFs that you're trading, and you can trade using the same concept. You can put whatever period of time, a 5-minute chart, hourly chart, 4-hour chart. Let me show you a 4-hour, just out of curiosity. Generally get more information on a 4-hour chart than on a daily chart. Okay, look at that. You see? Beautiful. So this could be a little higher. In this period, it was 423.59. If you want to change that, all you have to do is click right, edit properties, change the high to 423.59, and then you'll have everything, all price action in the rectangle based on a 4-hour chart. Okay, that's as easy as it is. You want to take a quick look at a weekly, see what's going on. One day on a weekly. You see, look at this. Price was really moving up. It's not moving up, it's moving sideways. So this makes it very obvious to you why it's getting more difficult, at least since early April, to make profits, is because we don't see this great price move up action. We're moving sideways. So I hope you consider checking out, do your analysis using a box such as this to bring you better predictive powers when you're trying to decide, is this the right time to get into my stock, or should I wait maybe a few more days until it either breaks out for a long trade, or if it breaks down outside below the box to go short. So I hope this gives you a quick understanding of how you can do analysis to better understand what is the current market situation for whatever market you like or whatever stock or ETF you prefer. So this is Trader Joe. Check us out. Come visit us at Investors Help right here on Facebook. And we put out a variety of videos from time to time. We want you to learn, to enjoy, and to profit. So this is Trader Joe saying so long. You have a great and wonderful and profitable week. Bye for now.